morning. This is teacher Christina. How are you? I hope that you are fine. Are you ready? Do you like to sing? Okay, let's sing.
Open, close, everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, everybody touch your eyes.
Eyes.
Open, close, everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, everybody touch your ears.
Ears.
Open, close, everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, everybody touch your nose.
Nose.
Open, close, everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, everybody touch your arms.
Arms.
Open, close, everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, everybody touch your knees.
Knees.
Open, close, everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, everybody touch your head.
Head. Okay.
Good job.
Good job. Today, we are going to learn about animals. Say again, animals. Okay? What's this? It's a shark. Again, what's this? It's a shark. Do you like shark? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Okay, now choose a color to win the game. Green, blue, red. What color do you like? Okay, are you ready? Okay, green, 5, blue, 6, and red, 10. Good job! Clap your hands. Okay, next one. Okay, next. What's this? It's a rhino. Again, what's this again? It's a rhino. Do you like rhino? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Okay, now choose a color to win the game. Red, blue, green. What color do you like? Red, blue, green. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Green, 7. Blue, 10. And red, 8. Good job. Okay, next. What's this? It's the cheetah. Do you like cheetah? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Next one. Choose a color to win the game. Green, blue, red. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Green, 4. Blue, 2. How about red? 10. Clap your hands. What's this? It's a frog. Again, what's this again? It's a frog. Do you like frog? Do you like frog? Yes. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Now, choose a color to win the game. Red, blue, green. Are you ready? Okay, let's start now. Red, 3, blue, 4, green. And the winner is green. Okay, good job. Next one. What's this? It's a zebra. Okay, do you like zebra? Yes, I do. Yes. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Now, choose a color to win the game. Blue, green, red. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Red, 10. Green, 9. Blue, 8. And the winner is red. Good job. Clap your hands. Okay, today we will learn about nature. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. What's this? It's a flower. Again, what's this? It's a flower. Good job. What color is it? It's pink. Good job. Okay. Next one. What's this? It's the sun. Sun. What's this again? It's the sun. Good job. What color is it? It's yellow. Good job. Clap your hands. Next. What's this? It's a star. Again, what's this again? It's a star. Good job. Clap your hand. What color is a star? What color is it? It's yellow. Good job. Clap your hands. It's yellow. Next, what's this? It's the moon. What's this again? It's the moon. What color is it? It's yellow. Good job. Clap your hands. What's this? It's the sky. Again, it's the sky. What color is it? It's blue. Good job. Clap your hands. Next one. What's this? It's a cloud. Again, what's this? It's a cloud. Good job. Clap your hands. Next one. What's this? It's a river. It's a river. Okay, again, it's a river. Okay, next. Next is we are going to play hidden games. Do you like to play games? See, yes, I do. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I do. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Let's see if you can remember about nature. Okay, let's start. Are you ready? What's this? 1, 2. Oh, what's this? 4. What's this? It's a star. Good job. Okay, next one. What's this? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, what's this? It's a flower. Next one. Are you ready? 1, 2. Oh, what's this? It's the moon. Okay, next one. Are you ready for the next? Okay, 1, 2, 3. What's this? What's this? It's the sky. Good job. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's this? Again, what's this? It's a river. Good job. Next one. Are you ready for the next? 1, 2, 4. What's this? It's a cloud. Good job. Okay, are you ready for the next? Okay, let's start. 1, 2. What's this? It's the sun. Good job. Next one. Thank you very much for listening. Did you enjoy the game? Did you enjoy the game? I hope so. Okay, see you again for our next lesson. Goodbye, bye-bye. I love you. I love you. I really miss you.